Hello guys, welcome to my another brand new video. In this video we're talking about why have a public liability insurance in place. Written by Brice P. Edison. If you own a business, public liability insurance is need a must. It will serve you to protect you as well as business against your claims of accidental damage caused to property or to an individual while at your premise result as business activity. So how does it works? This is usually better explained to an example. Imagine you are the owner of the small shop and one of your employees plugs in a vacuum cleaner and runs the cable along the floor and over the to a carpet in the corner. A customer walks into the shop, trips over the cable and breaks their ankle. In this situation, the injured customer would have the rights to file a complaint to the shop since the accident was caused as a direct result of your business activities and negligence. However, when the shop's owner is equipped for public liability insurance, any legal fees, compensations payments, and medical costs arising from the claim would be covered by the insurance firm. Without this cover, the insurance would be expected to pay out the entire claim. Who will need such insurance? For business that have visited suppliers or clients, even if the venture is being run at home, public liability insurance is indeed a must. Apart from that, if your company will work at a customer property or premises, you will must likewise be liable for damages or injuries that can arise from your work. Public liability policy is place is not a legal equipment. However, some professionals will indeed need to have one in order to trade. Basically, when you own a shop, offer or office or publications, work in the plumbing trade or any of the other trades which require you to enter a client's premises, you must seriously consider taking out policies liability insurance in order to make sure that you are covered in case there is a claim. As a general rule, you have to consider what the risks are if you are comparing public liability codes. In general, those ventures which need a higher level of cover are those who occupy premise and have greater number of third-party individuals going at their place like theaters, shops and malls. Other high-risk business will include those working with chemical and powerful machinery or perhaps those who own premises where alcohol is being consumed.